Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Fatbtc, a leading platform for cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, Fatbtc provides an intuitive interface packed with essential tools for managing your digital assets. The platform allows you to trade popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide variety of altcoins with competitive fees. To get started, simply head to fatbtc.com and create an account. The registration process is straightforward. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and confirm your email. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean dashboard where you can view market trends, track prices, and execute trades with ease. Before diving into trading, make sure to secure your account. Fatbtc offers two-factor authentication 2FA to ensure the highest level of security for your assets. Setting this up takes only a few minutes, but adds an important layer of protection. Navigating the platform is seamless. The Markets section provides real-time data on trading pairs, and the Exchange tab lets you execute spot trades efficiently. For those interested in advanced trading, Fatbtc features customizable charts and analytical tools powered by TradingView, enabling detailed market analysis. Additionally, the Funds section helps you manage your wallet balances and initiate deposits or withdrawals in just a few clicks. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Fatbtc also provides excellent support for token listings and a referral program that allows you to earn bonuses for inviting friends. Beginners will find the FAQ section invaluable for understanding the basics, while more experienced users will appreciate the comprehensive support for API integration. For deposits, select your preferred cryptocurrency from the Funds menu, generate your wallet address, and transfer funds from your external wallet. Trading is initiated by selecting your desired trading pair, entering your order type, market or limit, and specifying the amount to trade. Don't forget to explore the Promotions and Bonuses section, where new users can take advantage of exclusive offers, such as discounts on trading fees or sign-up rewards. These perks make Fatbtc an attractive option for anyone looking to maximize their trading efficiency. Sign up now using our exclusive link https://lnk.do/jquucoif and unlock amazing bonuses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more insightful content.